Harmony Beach Park represents the future of urban development in Jamaica. It embodies where we're going in terms of urban planning and the commitment of the government of Jamaica to introduce more green spaces in our communities. Green spaces promote healthy lifestyles and improve the health and wellness of residents. For this reason, I encourage you to see the beach park as a turning point for what you can expect from the government as it relates to sustainability in development. We recognize that development must be sustainable if it is to offer long-term benefits.
We at M&M feel special, honored, privileged, and gratified to have been selected by UDC as their partner to create this awesome and immaculate park.
This 16-acre property, popularly referred to as Dump Up Beach, has been transformed into a state-of-art beach park. This construction was carried out in tandem with the Montego Bay Waterfront Rehabilitation Project aimed at repairing the grounds, protecting the closed harbor, Aquasol, and Gunpoint beaches. This beach park is poised to change the city's landscape and provide a world-class recreational facility with a jogging trail, soft and hard landscaping, an outdoor amphitheater, multi-purpose courts, children's playing area, food kiosk, a boardwalk, among other amenities. This augurs well for the city of Montego Bay, not only because of the value which it will add to the tourism product, but will also improve the social lives of our citizens and foster positive interactions.
The opening of this park is quite timely and gives the city of Montego Bay a brand new panorama that boosts its profile as a growing metropolitan center while enhancing destination Jamaica. The TEF is very proud to be a part of this groundbreaking initiative, which will help to transform the landscape of our tourism mecca. We look forward to Montegonians and Jamaicans in general enjoying the wonderful amenities this park has to offer with relatives, friends, and visitors alike.
There are exciting anchor shops opportunities available here at Harmony Beach Park. The UDC is inviting individuals to submit proposals to build, lease, and operate anchor shops right here at this beach park. Spaces will range from 3,200 square feet to 5,000 square feet. And for more information on this opportunity, I invite you to visit the UDC website at www.udcja.com/business opportunities.
It is indeed with a great sense of pride and much satisfaction that I am here today to express sincere gratitude to those who have worked hard and tirelessly to allow us the privilege of witnessing this milestone. Through the numerous stages of planning, implementation, and now completion and operation, I am proud to affirm the fact that we are all part of a great initiative which has improved the physical and will shape the social and economic landscape and enrich the lives of our citizens. This project is truly a reflection of the entire corporation. I hope that you will come to enjoy this park, which is an investment of both love, time, and money in Montego Bay and in the country that we all love. On behalf of Team UDC, be assured that we remain committed to the work of making development happen in Jamaica.